On the Mall in Washington, next to the legendary monuments, the federal government is building a new museum to honor African American history. Meanwhile, just outside the federal zone, people walk through history every day.
There's always been a lot of activism and a lot of celebrities associated with this church. Martin Luther King Jr. Had preached here. We had Marian Anderson performing here.
Notice on this wall here.
Alexander Padro is a local historian and member of the Shaw Neighborhood Advisory Commission. He gives tours of the area because he believes when people understand the history of their neighborhood, they're more likely to take care of it. One of his biggest concerns is graffiti.
Unfortunately, it's a slap in the face to the neighborhood's wonderful history. Here we're talking about Dr. Woodson. We're talking about the 1963 March on Washington. We're talking about a girls' school that was on this side of the block. And there you've got someone saying, "I'm game."
There are many legends who lived and worked here. Carter G. Woodson is the father of black history. His home and offices were here. Duke Ellington, Smokey Robinson, and Diana Ross all performed at the Howard Theater. And in 1940, this small building became one of the first temples for the Nation of Islam.
And it was the center for Muslim worship in Washington, D.C. until 1960.
And yet every few months, someone with a can of spray paint scrawls his or her name on this wall.
There's usually a great big tag. You can tell on this side of the building how many times these tags have been painted over. You see the red, you see the brown.
When vandals paint Washington, D.C., they are literally painting over history. And many believe they are disrespecting the people who once lived here and the people who live here still.
I mean, God gave you a talent to draw, and if you want to draw, like he said, draw on some paper, whatever. Do something, make yourself useful in the world.
I mean, do on yours. Don't mess up anybody else's stuff. If you want to write something, write it on your door, or write it on your step. Don't write it on someone else's property.
This is my DC. I love it, and this is the RDC. And if you love it just as much as I do, you're gonna take care of it.
Tagging, bombing, graffiti, whatever the word, the answer is not in our DC.